Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Daman here again. Today doing another review video is about 100k cloner. So the first thing, if you like my video, just please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. The link is below in the description. So let's talk about 100k cloner, what it is all about. This software gives you instant turnkey authority to review websites preloaded with affiliate campaign that made me 100k and 100k's of software to give away as bonuses, and then you can promote your sites to 100 times traffic sources. Okay, and then plus this 100k affiliate site is packed with 100k of affiliate programs, videos, reviews, and 100k dollars of bonuses, and for all of my most profitable affiliate promotions of 2021, which built right into one website is your site. Okay, so basically this is all here. It's the easiest way to become a super affiliate in 2021. Okay, by leveraging all of my most profitable campaign. I'll just show you in the basically in summarize what it include in this 100k. Let's go to the websites. Okay, and so okay, this is the 100k cloner, right? So it has brand new websites building software, 100% done for your affiliate campaign, which is built in, instantly add your affiliate link, hosting and domain name included, 100 times free traffic source built in, 100% done for you content, and 100% done for you niches, step by step training, build your list at the same time, which is priceless. And the main important thing, you will be having a 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, so if you are interested in this, and this sound is oh sorry, it's here 60 days no question asked money back guarantee. So if this sound is something interested to you, then just stick with me, because I have amazing custom made bonuses which I specially created for you. So I'll just show you. Okay, so again, they have just explained here more. This 100k cloner includes everything which you need for daily affiliate commission, done for you affiliate websites, built in 100 times free traffic, 100% done for you complete campaign, bonus package included, uh, done for you traffic, leads, and unlimited affiliate training. Okay, so let's go to see the bonuses which I have specially custom made for you. So the bonus number one, which I will be giving, those are buying this 100k by my link, which is given below in the YouTube description. So the bonus number one, it is access the mobile all-in-one course. So what is mobile? Mobile is a software video training which was launched by the Jono Armstrong. I think it was in the last year. So basically, what's this mobile? Like you can do the affiliated market wherever you are. Either you are waiting for somebody, or you're in the park, you don't need even any laptop or anything. Yes, it is. So you can do all the work from your mobile phone. Okay, so they have just shown in detail about this video training. Okay, and this training makes journals to make more than like $1,000 per day. Okay, so then it's very good, wonderful training. Bonus number two, which is for two awesome traffic method to use with the 100k cloner. So in this bonus number two, the Jono has shown you the one tutorial. There's a YouTube video in which he talks about the two awesome traffic sources which he used, and which is doing good conversion for him. Okay, and he just shows the hacks and how to use it. So if you wants to know that, if you wants to rank your videos, rank your websites, wants to get more traffic, then this is the bonus number two is awesome. Okay, because he has explained two awesome traffic methods. Bonus number three, which is for $345. This is the 4 ways to get instant design inspiration. Okay, and then bonus number four, access Jono's proven $1 million in 365 days blueprint. This is also the again the YouTube tutorial where the Jono talks about how he make his $1 million in a year, blueprint. This is exactly a step-by-step training where he just explained every simple step. Okay, and the bonus number 5, this is all the vendor bonuses which will be available to you when you will get the copy for this 100k cloner. So again, this all the custom made bonuses is available for the person who will be picking the 100k cloner by my link, which is given below in the YouTube description. Okay, so again, click the button below now to claim your free insane bonus package before the countdown times hit 0. So basically this 100k cloner is going to be launched tomorrow, and this page will be down on May 14. Okay, so again they have given here the more elaborate information. Here I have given everything on my bonus page, and let's talk about the price. So the front end price is for $17. In the $17 you will get access the powerful 100k cloner software and training modules. Okay, and then upsell 1, which is for $29. So in that you will get upgrade to promote unlimited offers to scale commission even further. Upsell number 2, which is for $39, you will get activate 60 times affiliate programs per day and over 1500 campaign instantly preloaded. Upsell number 3, done for you edition for $197. Inside you will get elite team site update done for you site for you. Okay, and then upsell number 4, reseller edition, which is for $197. Inside that you will earn across the entire funnel selling this top selling warrior offer as this is your own. The last one is upsell 5, mega bundle edition for $97. You will get access to insane 37 software tools that cost him over 300k to build. Okay, and here are some other key benefits which you might be interested in getting. This is 100% new for 2021, 100% commission, get 100 times free traffic, 0 hosting, 100% done for you campaign, is a cloud-based app, 0 hosting, is newbie friendly, and the main important thing, it has a 60 days money back guarantee. Again, I have in my custom made bonuses which I especially spend a lot of time to prepare this my bonuses. So this will be available who will be picking 100k via my link, which is I've given below in the YouTube description. Okay, so now let's go to the sales page. So this is the sales page here. So, and this is the sales video, and again these all things which I explained to you. When you will click on my bonus page, and that will bring you to this sales page, then you will click here in this blue bar, then you will get instant access to 100k. Okay, so again there's lots of information given here. This is the plastered links to 100 times free traffic sites, and the 3 simple steps. Just go through step by step, and I'm not going to read everything, and read in your own time, and then if you decided you want it, then yeah, then my link is below in the description. Okay, so again I'll just scroll down. Again, here's the introduction which I already have covered you. Okay, so now quickly I will be showing you and there will be a vendor bonuses available. When you will pick the copy for 100k cloner, then you will get access to the vendor bonuses. Here is a 60 days no question money back guarantee. Okay, and then here this is the members area. This is the dashboard. As you can see here, 100k cloner, my site, the link for share, log out, and here my website, and this is the websites here. These all the niches, and if you want to create your new sites, just click here and then you can create your own new websites. Okay, and then after just selecting the website, then here's the action what you want to do. Either you want to do some editing or you want to share. Okay, let's see. After sharing, okay, yeah, if you want to share, choose your niche, choose the content, preview, edit and share and get the traffic. Okay, so again it's simple. So yeah, that's all. It was for the 100K cloner. So that was my review, and thank you so much for watching my review. And again, if you feel that you're interested and this was something which you're looking for, then then here is this 100K for you, right? And my, on top of everything, I'm giving you my custom made amazing bonuses. Okay, and this is the free bonuses for only for the person who is picking this 100K cloner by my link, which is given below in the YouTube description. And again, thank you so much guys for watching my review. And if you like my video, please click the like button, comment if you have any question. Just write the question in the description below in the comment section. I will get back to you. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for your support. Subscribe to my channel, okay, because I will be doing every day the review videos for all more the digital products which are coming in the market. And yeah, so just subscribe to my channel. And other than this, I will be doing some how-to videos, and plus I have some free training, okay, which the link is below in the YouTube description. Just go and check that. Again, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe. Bye.